there everyone, so this is the custom order I've been working on over the past couple of weeks. I really had so much fun with this project, and yeah, it was just really cool to have someone buy work from me and really, I don't know, just expect me to make something really beautiful and great. It means a lot that people think my work is cool enough to buy from me. So without further ado, here I was showing clips earlier of the fabrics I chose and that sort of thing, and as well as the book cover. This is a vintage Dr. Seuss book that I had up on Etsy, and no one bought it or wanted it, so I figured I would use it and cover the pages. So what I did first, so that the patchwork would show up great that I later sew, is I used just a blank sheet of fabric first, just to have that nice background. And I also made sure to do a lot of really thick coats of glue. I used Mod Podge and an old paintbrush just so it stays on there really nice. I didn't film much else, but this is what it looks like after I'd glued the patchwork that I sewed and stitched on. And then I also put in those music pages for the inside. I did end up doing other metal hardwares that you'll see later, but I just didn't get to filming it. So here is all the extra ephemera and goodies that I'm sending my customer as well. I didn't put them in the journal because I knew that she's an experienced journaler, and so I thought she'd want to take the time to look at these things herself. Then here's more of an up close again, of just me going through everything instead of kind of giving a little overview. Lots of stickers, washi tape, cards, tags, prints, just really cute stuff that I thought she'd enjoy. I also did a lot of fun paper clips and things with lace and trims, especially on the edges of the pages. She also asked for a lot of pockets, so I did do a lot of sewing and fun tuck spots, belly bands. I did bottom pockets. I didn't do any top loading ones because usually I find that stuff falls out of those really easily, but I have some half page that are horizontal and vertical, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there. Here's me just packing up all that extra ephemera. I thought I'd include this just to kind of show how much care I put into it. Everything is in a plastic bag or a thicker sort of protective element, just in case something happens to that package. Same with bubble wrap as well. I use a lot of bubble wrap, tissue paper, plastic tape, all that stuff, just to make sure that things get sent over safely, and even if something happens, that they're as safe as they can possibly be. So yeah, there's a last little tiny bit of ephemera, and here I am just filling a little bag with all the extra buttons and charms. I did find a really cool vintage brooch. I did include another one in the journal as well, but that's on a fabric tab, and I also put some more winter gingerbread charms in there too. I also really wanted to include some extra fabric and ribbon scraps similar to the ones that I used for the cover and inside the journal. I also did a little freebie bag like I usually do for my orders with a couple of just beaded bracelets. I have a peppermint in there to match the theme, and I also have some stickers and stuff too. And I think I do end up putting the washi tape in there later as well, just because I couldn't find a bag for it. Once again, you see me wrapping some stuff up. I used a lot of bubble wrap on that charm just to make sure that everything was okay. I didn't want to send the journal with the charm on, just in case it got squished on the side, but I also didn't want it tearing the wrapping that I'm putting on the journal itself, and I know there's some more delicate beads and I didn't want those to get cracked. So here I'm wrapping up the journal itself with a really pretty a white satin ribbon and some tissue paper, that's the word. I just did a little bow, and I added that little tag on the front, and I later tuck in the thank you card. Here I'm also wrapping up all that extra ephemera with the tissue paper as well, and this time I use a red plaid ribbon just to kind of bring out some more of those reds and fun colors on the journal. And here's everything together. Lastly, I want to apologize for this poor camera angle, but here's me packing up the order and putting everything in this big sleeve of bubble wrap just to make sure it gets to where it needs to be safe and sound. So once again, I do want to say thank you all so much for liking my videos, for watching them, for subscribing to me, ordering from my store. I really do appreciate it, and I really love sharing my art and ideas with other people. Once again, I'd like to thank you guys all for supporting me and watching my videos. Stay tuned for a new video about another custom project coming up soon. Bye, guys.